Question number first. The graph of px are given in the following figure for some polynomials px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. So we can see the first graph is given that. In this graph we can observe that this graph does not intersect the x-axis. So the number of zeros is 0. Other, in this graph we can see the graph of this. Then we can observe that this graph is cut off intersect of x-axis is 1 time. So the number of this graph, this polynomials is 1. We observe the graph in question number 3rd. We can see graph of this type. We observe that the number of intersect point on the x-axis this 1, 2 and 3. So this polynomial have 3 zeros. We can see in the question number 4 the graph of this type. So we can observe this graph intersect the x-axis in the 2 point, this and this. So the number of zeros is 2. We observe the graph in question number 5. This graph is this type. So we can see this graph is intersect the x-axis in 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So the number of zeros is 4. Again, in question number 6, we can see the graph of this type. We observe that this graph is intersect only 1 point, but this graph is touch in the 2 point of x-axis. So this also known is the intersect of x-axis. So the number of zeros is 1, 2 and 3. The number of zeros is 3.